scraping national exam.
Scraping.
Yeah, the Prime Minister, the Ministry of Education and Culture, Nadiem, wants to do away with national exam. It's about the scrapping the nationwide exam graded by students, because many students in the last 20, 25 years or 30 years have been scared by national exam, and some of them might kill themselves, because they are in trauma of national exam. So in 2021, the Minister of Education and Culture is going to replace it, not remove it, not remove, but take away, but replace with another kind of assessment. It is called minimum competency assessment. So it is mainly to evaluate students' literacy and numerical competence. Competence in literacy means to read and to write, and numerical means how to compute or basic mathematics. Okay. So the new educational assessment would not be held just before students are set to graduate. It's not at your third grade or at your ninth grade or 12th, but it is will take place in the middle of each educational level. Okay, so this will be a formative assessment, which means it should be useful for teachers. So it should be useful for teachers and schools and the students to make improvements. Meanwhile, the survey of students' character refers to a test based on observations by teachers of their students' behavior. So, as we know that national exam in the past few years, it's not able to calculate, to measure students' behavior, attitude. But this kind of new national exam, which will replace national exam, will measure students' attitude. So Nadiem said the survey is set to serve as a benchmark, okay, to provide feedback for schools to create changes that will strive to make students happier. So it is to make students happy, not make students stressed. Previous national exam make students stressed, but now make them happy. They are happy with that thing. That's all for me.